Well, hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to my home. I'm coming to you with a different kind of haul. All right. I wanted to get this out really quick because it's happening this weekend. If you have a Dollar General near you, Dollar General is having a additional clearance event this weekend. So you can score on some things that you may need for your home. I have my receipt here. I'm going to share with you some of the things that I picked up. So we're going to jump right in. Let me clip my mic to me. That will be much easier. Pull this way. I'm going to start with this Handy Grip Starter Kit by Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Regular price was $3.60. We picked up 2. And I think I'm going to just, to make it easier for me, I'm going to put the price we paid for it down below. Now, this was a clearance item. You get 50% off of the clearance item, $3.60 a piece. And then the clearance the clearance price, I will have listed. This wasn't clearance, but we needed it. I needed some awesome spray. This was a sale item. And I think we paid $2 and some change for it. Regular price $4.95. The Dawn Platinum. I think we picked up maybe 1 or 2 of these or something different. Excuse me. It's some furniture polish by True Living. This was a clearance item for $4.50 with the half off. And then you get the additional off. All right. That's first bag. Second bag, we picked up some things for my youngest grandson. Is the Paw Patrol music set. It was clearance to $4.50. So you got that half off with an additional 50% off. We picked up more Mr. Clean. These are the refills to what I just shared with you. $2.50 half off. Another toy for my grandson. It was a Color Pop palette. This was $5 half off. Guys, I'm pretty much a game girl, so we picked up some dryer sheets. This was on sale, right, Daryl?
Yeah, it was $1.
So this was $1 in the end. Hubby is sitting above us, guys, working. Next bag. Okay, this is what we picked up instead of the furniture polish. Some Glade soft mist odor fighting air freshener. We picked up 2 cans, $2.25 half off. So we got those. And this was the deal of the day for me. One of them anyway. The Game Relax scent boosters. I really want to look at the price of these. These were regular price, $8.35. Got them half off and additional half. So we picked up 4 of these. This wasn't a clearance item, but it was on sale. Gain laundry detergent. It was regular price $15.99. I think we got like $3 off of this, making it $12. The next items were on the clearance aisle. This was Rubbermaid. Containers like this, I'm going to be using for my youngest grandson to prep his fruit and veggies. These containers, you know how pricey Rubbermaid is, even on the clearance price. This was $9, half off. So I picked up 2 of those. More Rubbermaid. I was just thinking, as far as Thanksgiving and the holidays coming up, these containers, the small pack, you have 2 in each pack. This is 2 in each pack as well. This was regular price $12. Got it for $6. 2 of those. I don't really care to use plastic that much, but during the holidays, these will come in handy, especially for prepping things, and possibly if my son in Gainesville want to take some things home with him. I only have a couple of items, more items. Same concept here with the prepping. This is 2 in each container. The Rubbermaid take-alongs. This is a limited edition in this color. I wasn't really concerned about the color. I just wanted the container. This was $6.50 regular price, half off. 2 in a pack. So I picked up this pack and I'm going to reach over. And came in this color as well. $6.50, half off. The take-alongs. So these are good. Say, for instance, you want to take a salad, a pasta salad, different things you want to take to someone's house. Or again, for me, prepping. All right, prepping food. So I picked those up. Hey guys, this was a rather quick haul. Just 2 more things. I've been looking at these bins, I can guarantee you, since spring, and they've been there. All right. Picked up a pack of 10 of these bins, these white bins. Of course, I'm going to use them for storage for possibly my fall decor or Christmas, the little knickknacks that we can kind of collect along the way. This will come in handy. These were $3.60, and then half off of this. All right. So, and I got 10 of these. And lastly, something that we use quite a bit during the spring and summer, and it's still, even though we're in the fall season, we can still use these since we're in Florida, on our back patio with the grill. And it's these barbecue grill foil drip pans. And we picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 packs. You go in Dollar Tree, they are, I'm guessing right now, they were $1.75 for 1 pan. All right. So to get these, I think these were 75 cents for the 2 pack times 12. So that's a deal because we continue to use our grill until it's cold. All right. So that was a deal. I just wanted to bring this to you really, really quick. So if you're out and about this weekend and you have a Dollar General, you may want to swing in there and pick up some of your needs and get a huge deal in the process. They also give the $5 off 25 coupons for your Saturdays, as well as your $5 off coupon for Monday through Friday only. So I got my coupons here. I'm gonna go back and see what else I need. I have a Dollar General Market that's by my dad. It's actually like a mini Walmart. All right, so I may use my coupons in there. We'll see. But I wanted to bring this to you so you could catch the clearance as well. Well, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. And you also could check out my Amazon store for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box below. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.